Hi everybody, welcome back to Handsthatcook. My name is Linda, and we've got Easter coming up. I think it's the 4th of April, and this is a perfect cake to serve for Easter. So today, it's called Grandmother's Cake, and it's an old recipe. So in the bowl already, I've got 1.5 cups of white sugar. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use self-rising if you like. And save yourself the time of, I spilt that everywhere, of adding the baking powder. So here's 1.5 cups. I got a 1/2 cup measuring spoons cup somewhere. Well, what did I do with it? Well, let's see. Oh, here it is. Okay. All right, that's 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon. Uh-oh. I got the powder out. I need soda. Wait just a minute. So sorry about that, guys. One teaspoon of baking soda. Well, I can't even get down into the box. I'm going to have to open this box further. Now, one teaspoon of baking soda. Then it calls for 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now, if you're using self-rising flour, do not use the baking soda and salt. Excuse me. going to mix this together. Now I'm going to add 2 eggs. Remember, always use large or extra large eggs when you're baking. These are large. Whoop. Give them a bit of a stir. That's good enough because I'm going to add a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple with the juice. The whole thing. Yeah. Now I'm really going to stir it up. Spray a 9x13 baking pan. And make sure this is beaten well, that it's mixed well. See those little bits of flour in there? You want to get those mixed. Alright, now that I've got this all mixed up, I'm going to pour it into my sprayed 9x13 pan. And you can see it's loose. It's a loose batter. Okay. Now, on top of this, let me wipe my hands off. I'm going to sprinkle 1 cup of chopped pecans. Preheat your oven to 350 if I didn't tell you already. And one cup brown sugar. I'm using dark. I suppose light or dark will do. Hold on, let me get it in my cup here. There we go. So, I'll have the recipe in the show more section, so you don't have to worry about writing all this down. It's an easy, delicious cake. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to put it in the 350 degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes. I'm going to check it at 40 and I'll bring you back. Hi, I'm back. About 5 minutes before the cake is done, in a small saucepan, you're going to put a ½ cup of white granulated sugar, 1 cup of evaporated milk, not sweetened, condensed, and 1 stick of butter. And you're going to bring it to a boil. And then you're going to pour it all over the cake. So we'll be back when the cake's done. Just took this cake out of the oven. It took about 43 minutes, 42, something like that. The top is nice and crispy. And the recipe doesn't say to do this. Well, I don't know. This might be too big. I'm going to punch some holes in it. And I'm going to pour this hot sugar and butter and evaporated milk all over this top of this cake. It came to a boil. Still nice and hot. And here we go. That looks yummy. When it cools off, we'll come back and cut a piece. Hi, we're back. I've let this cool, and it is Let me see what time it is. 1:45 in the morning. So Sam's in bed. So we're gonna have to make do with me. Oh my goodness. A little bit more pineapple there. Look at that cake, y'all. And here's my piece. So, let me taste it. I'll tell you if it's fit for Easter. Oh my goodness. It is delicious. You would be proud to serve this on Easter or any other time. It's moist. The brown sugar gives it crunch. It's so good. I hope y'all try it. Grandmother's cake. Well, like I said, I'll put the recipe in the show more section. You all will love it. So until next time, you all take care. And may God bless every one of you. And don't forget to pray for, I forgot her name. Marshall's mama. I heard from him today. She's still living. So, that's good. Well, thank you for coming in. And thank you for being so good to me. Thank you for your gifts and other things that you've sent, the notes. And until next time, you all take care, and may God bless every one of you.